Welcome back friends once again to Crazy Science. This session is going to be a question answer session. Don't forget to press the bell icon before watching the video. So let's begin without any further delay. You all probably have heard of photons. What are really photons? Photons are almost infinitesimally small particles of light. They have no mass and there are billions of them in a single light beam. Now, what is half-life? You might be thinking that it is related to our life, but it is not. It is related to chemistry. No one can predict when the atomic nucleus will decay, but scientists can predict how long it will take for half the particles in a substance to decay. This is its half-life. Strontium-90 has a half-life of just 9 minutes, whereas uranium-235, on the other hand, has a half-life of 4.5 billion years. Who are barbarians? Am I talking of the barbarians of COC? Of course not. So let's know about it. To the ancient Greeks, all foreigners or outsiders were known as barbarians, but from the 3rd century on, this term was increasingly applied to nomadic mountain people of Asia, Eastern Europe, and parts of Germany such as the Huns and Goths. Organized into fearsome cavalry armies, these so-called barbarians caused havoc in search for land, and were finally responsible for the collapse of the Western Roman Empire. So what are tachyons? Something related to the speed of light or a speed greater than light? A tachyon or a tachyonic particle is a hypothetical particle that always travels faster than the speed of light. Indeed, most physicists believe that faster than light particles cannot exist because they aren't consistent with the known laws of physics. Thus, we can conclude that it is a theoretical concept. What is the brightest star in the whole of the universe? The nearer a star is, the brighter it appears, so some of the biggest brightest stars in the universe appear quite dim simply because they are far away. Apart from our Sun, the nearest star is the faint Proxima Centauri, just over 4 light years away. The star that seems the brightest from the Earth is the Sirius, the dog star, which is 26 times brighter than the Sun. But the hypergiant Cygnus OB2 number 12 is 810,000 times brighter than our Sun, but is almost 6 billion light years away, so it seems quite dim. So thank you for supporting. This is the end of the first episode of question and answer series. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel.